Oh my God. I think tumuliseeyo ate enesi. Kati bino biva kuki?
With time that accumulates between these two layers. Kati ono space neyo munda gyeriri. So with time ngeboyoza it keeps on accumulating.
And what would the solution be?
It's a total overhaul service. Like we dismantle the whole machine, we pull out this, separate all this, then we wash inside and out.
Okay. So what are we looking at? So machines need to be serviced.
They have to be serviced.
How often?
The standard is supposed to be twice a year, but it depends how often you use the machine. If you use it more than twice a week, maybe 4 times a week, then you maintain the standard. Then below...
So this entire thing here should be silver one.
Yeah.
So this means no color drum clean, no gula all that thing down,
drum clean just reduces, but it is not effective like total overhaul because it cannot remove this layer here.
Okay.